This is a Coop Store in Timra, Sweden. Schindler modern. No, this is actually probably a new install. One.
Plan 1.
The door closed and we pushed the button. I like that. Big elevator.
Entréplan.
It runs good. I think only one is working. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.